Palam Vihar Sector 2 in Gurgaon, and it is quite evident the civic apathy of the Gurgaon Municipal Corporation, because the question is, where is the taxpayers' money going? Because here clearly, after a slight spell of heavy rainfall, the entire situation here gets worse because of poor drainage system. Here the water gets mixed with the sewage water, gets mixed with the rainwater, and the residents, despite making countless complaints to the corporation, they haven't received any solution in sight, and they have to take it upon themselves to clear this situation, to clear up the water, to drain the water. And we've also seen visuals of the rainwater overflowing into the basements of these houses. I am currently here in a residential street here in Palam Vihar, and let's hear from the residents themselves कि इधर का situation कैसा था सर, आप मुझे बताइए कल रात से.
Situation couldn't have been worse. It was just full of water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. That was the true story yesterday. Water was mixed with sewage water, as you can see there. This is all sewage residual.
Right.
Water has drained out thanks to the pump installed by the residents.
And how much money, sir, are you paying for these water pumps?
We paid almost 32,500 rupees. We had to engage pumps for almost 3 hours, 3.5 hours, 2 pumps to drain out the water. There was no response from the authorities, and I think it has never been so bad. It's yesterday was an eye opener whether we should continue to stay here or abandon the entire city, because it was a mess. In fact, we all came together because of this, and the situation could have been very, very bad. In case anybody had any medical emergency,
Right.
we could not have reached the hospital.
Because we've seen trees being uprooted, and there has not been a single corporation official who have been deployed to fix this situation, and it's the residents who are taking charge and getting things straight.